Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi, and welcome to this video. This is a cute little birthday card we're making today. I absolutely love it. I love this paper, it's adorable. This is part of the Ballard suite of paper, and it is the most gorgeous paper you've ever seen. So let's get started. So supplies, you're going to need your standard A6 card base, and this is the thick Whisper White. Then we're going to need a piece of old olive, and this measures 14.35 centimeters by 10 centimeters. And then our designer series paper, and you can see it's double-sided, it's lovely. And this designer series paper, it measures 13.85 centimeters by 9 centimeters. Okay, and then you're going to need some scraps of Whisper White and old olive, and then you're going to need a little piece of Daffodil Delight, and this measures 9 centimeters by 4.5 centimeters. If you didn't catch all of that, don't worry, because it'll all be on my blog, all the measurements and everything. So let's get started. These are scrap pieces of Whisper White. We're going to do a stamping first, and the stamp set we're going to use is actually not the one that goes with the suite, which is the Free as a Bird, but we're going to be using this gorgeous stamp set called Butterfly Wishes. And look at that, I mean, it's just exquisite. I'm going to be using the sentiment here that says birthday wishes, and I'm going to be using this little butterfly there. So there you go. So let's start with our sentiment, and we're going to just stamp this in black. So we're going to use the Memento, because as you know, I can't stand stays on. The smell of stays on is repulsive to me because I hate marzipan. So whenever possible, I used Memento rather than stays on. Obviously, if you're watercolouring or something, then you have to use stays on ink. Okay, so let's put that aside to dry. Birthday wishes, and this is Pool Party cardstock ink, and this is what we're going to use to stamp our little butterfly. So let's ink our butterfly up. It's all nice and inky, and then just press down and hold, and there we go. Not happy with that really. I think I smudged it a bit, so let's try it again. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so as always, as I say, close up your ink pads when you're finished and avoid you putting something into it you don't want to. So now we are just going to cut out our little butterfly here. We're just going to fussy cut him out. So as always, when you're fussy cutting, move the paper rather than the your scissors, and just keep your scissors at like a 45-degree angle. Okay, that'll do. That's our little butterfly there, done. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. There you go. So we can bring back our birthday wishes, and this is much simpler. We're going to use a punch. And this is the timeless label punch, so there we go. And just bring back our piece of old olive, and we're going to punch a bit out of that as well. Okay, so now we're going to cut our piece of old olive very simply in half. Okay, and now I'm going to put adhesive on the back of our sentiment. And then we're just going to use this as our layering piece. So we're just going to match the two up like that, and do the same on this side. So then we have, it looks like it's matted, but it hasn't been. We just use the same punch. Make sure supplies go further. Okay, so start assembling. So our piece of old olive, we're going to put some snail on the back of that. Okay, I've got some snail on my grid sheet, and everything's wanting to stick to it. Okay, so there we've got our old olive. Now we're going to put some snail on the back here of our designer series paper. Okay, that'll do. And now our Whisper White, our Daffodil Delight piece. It's a very simple, quick and easy card. It's just mainly assembling more than anything else. So there we go. And now we are going to put some dimensionals on the back of our sentiment. And we're just going to put that right there in the centre. Okay, and then I'm just going to put a small dimensional, one of our baby ones, or mini dimensionals as they're called, I call them the baby ones, on the back of our butterfly. And then I've just put it there in the centre so then I can prop his wings up a little bit. Stick him there, and then we're just going to finish off with my favourite finishing, some rhinestones. If it wants to come. They're trying to escape me today, they don't want to go on my card, but I shall win. Okay, there we go, we're all done. So that's the one we've just made. That's the one I made earlier. I love them, both super cute. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you want any more details like supplies, measurements, etc., it'll be on the blog post that goes with the video, which will be on my website, and all the details for that will be in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, I'd be grateful if you would give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!